How to delete videos and pictures on Messenger. Hello and welcome to One Two Step. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete videos and pictures on Messenger. To delete videos and pictures you have sent or received in Messenger, follow this step. First of all, open the Messenger application on your mobile device. Open the conversation where you want to delete the photo or video you have sent. Once you find the photo you want to delete, tap and hold on the photo until a menu appears. At the very bottom, you will find More option. Click on this More option, and from the menu that appears, you will find Remove button. Click on this Remove and you will be presented with two more options, whether you want to unsend this photo or you want to remove it for yourself only. Choose the options based on your preferences, and then you can see you have successfully removed or deleted photo on Messenger. Now to delete the videos, find the video you want to delete, and once you find the video, repeat the same process as before. Tap and hold the video until the menu appears, and again click on this More option. From the option that appears, click on this Remove option and select the option based on your need. And after that, you will see you have successfully deleted videos and pictures on Messenger. Also note that if you delete a photo or video from a conversation, it will only be removed from that specific conversation, not from the recipient's device. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.